I call this a Shin Clamp Armbar. And there's a bunch of ways to do this, but we're going to just start from a basic side control position. Okay? From here. I'm going to be attacking his upper arm. I'm going to reach over the head, walk my foot, notice how I'm controlling his head, walk my foot over his head, and then this is where the shin clamp comes in. Here. 1, 2. Regular head and arm position, side control. Keep his head down, walk it around, clamp the shin. Drive your hip forward. Okay? Number 2. I'm in what I call a knee up mount. But how do we set up the arm bar? All I need to do here is bring my arm to the top, inside his bicep, shin clamp. Okay? He's in here, he's hiding it. Drive your elbow into the crook of his elbow, shin clamp. It's tight. If he tries to pull out, he's not going anywhere. Get his head down so I can step over. Now sit back. Call this knee up mount. Elbow in, clamp.